Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to Sportsibong zigama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngethembe nikahle niyaphila emakhaya. I have updates lana about the Kaizer Chiefs regarding ama transfers. We know ukuthi sekuzosondela isikhathi sakhona ngoJanuary transfer window elandelayo. So kuzoba nama players that can be signed and kuzoba nama players that will be released according to ama contract wabo, especially the players laba ama contract wabo azophela next year 2026 ngoJune. So here we are talking about Brendan Peterson, captain of Kaizer Chiefs. He entered his final months being a Kaizer Chiefs player, and there's an option for him to extend up until 2027 June. So that will depend on management, because as we all see, his performances are showing that he's playing for something. And playing for something means that you have to be responsible and play with responsibility. He has the captain unbelt, and also he knows very well that if he doesn't perform, he will get released, because last season we thought Kuti angeka sabuye because of our blunders and the mistakes that he was doing. But for the fact that he showed character and soldiered on up until he came back strong at this season, whereby he's our first choice goalkeeper, because he's giving out good performances. He's saving Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, many people can contradict that, saying that maybe his defense always comes to his rescue. It is saving him, because some clean sheet lawa now, some of the games it defense is solid, but every game I Brendan Peterson, he averages 3 to 4 saves, big saves that were deemed to be goals, which shows what he's keeping Kaizer Chiefs in the game every time when they play. So that it is something that must be recognized from Unchebe, from the mistakes to being the hero of Kaizer Chiefs, being one person that they will trust ukuthi he will guard them ukuthi kungabi nama goals at the back, because we know very well ukuthi defense Kaizer Chiefs last season was the worst, considering more goals than the games they've played. But this season it seems like they focused more on that. So if it happens, if there's a possibility ukuthi angahambo Ntshebe, it simply means Kaizer Chiefs have to find a perfect replacement for him. But I don't see that happening, because nakanjani the performances are showing that he is playing for something and he's playing with responsibility now as the captain. So simply means that whatever that will happen, surely he will get that contract extension, because he has turned into a prime Ike Kaslas, Luigi Buffon at once. So it shows now that uloku performa kanje kanti uyazi ukuthi ufuna uku-extend the contract, and that's a good thing to play for something, because you know ukuthi if ever you don't perform to your level best, nakanjani into zakho angeke ihambe ngomumo. So for him it is a motivation, because he has something to lose. So that's why we see him this season ukuthi he's even at the, if I'm not mistaken, I can say ukuthi he's leading or the charts when it comes to a clean sheet. So that it is new, because last season I was considered ngenye indlela, but this season siqoqekile man. Our defense, our goalkeeper, we see it now, there's a effective communication at the back. So that's why you don't find us considering more goals, because amanye games we win by 1-0, amanye games siya draw 1-0. So it shows that we are solid. I was even shocked last season when they wanted goalkeeper Renildo Lina. More compare labo goalkeeper boytu, you can see with Brendan Peterson is a good shot stopper compared to Ronaldo Lina. But the hype was there good to know he's doing more blunders, so they wanted to keep out of the equation as soon as possible. And then because how come you can recommend a goalkeeper with azodlalela Chiefs, but most of his career uba i-third choice? Yes, ngakhala ngokuthi even uSipho Cheni ku-Pirates wasn't the first or the second choice ku-Chippa United, but it's all about the mindset of someone ukuthi yena makafika endaweni enje, how will he manage ukuthi azithole up there to the top. But uLina kunabo goalkeeper abahanjiswa abayi-2, uFloyd including uBadre Sangare, instead ukuthi bamenze main thengwa other 2 goalkeepers. That tells you ukuthi no, akusumuntu that they can rely on, because sathuswa ile yakhula up kuBafana Bafana, and then boom, now the hype is no longer there. So the good thing that he did, Brandon Peterson, was to make sure ukuthi this season he shows up for Kaizer Chiefs, which is a good thing. We saw from the pre-season ukuthi no, ngathi this season uzoba kahle nje, because ama 1-on-1 bekawashaya laphana, yey bongafunga ukuthi akusina i-pre-season leya. But asiphumeni lapho kancane, let's focus to something else, because we saw ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs were offered Ishmael Tore, the former Stellenbosch center back. But now, since izinto zingakahambi ngale ndlela le, simply means ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ngathi ishaya ngeblue tick le ndaba le, cause akuna next reportwayo since kwakuphuma istory by Soccerbit, but kona akusathulekile. So there's another player from Stellenbosch. It's a center back by the name of Thabo Moloisane. Seems like ngazathi Stellenbosch ayizishayanga ke ngokuthi imconvince ukuthi assign i-contract bam-extendele, because naye iyaphele yakhe contract next year ngoJune, but okwamanje kusathulekile, and he's eligible to sign with any club of his choice. And knowing very well ukuthi he's going to be a free agent, this is where Kaizer Chiefs comes in, because we know ukuthi uZitha Kunika, there's a chance ukuthi angahambe natural, because when you look at age and also the number of years he has stayed in natural, it's only this season that is showing ukuthi he's a good defender. It's just good they didn't trust him enough in order ukuthi azoba yini first choice defender, because I think udlala makulimala abanye. But now he shows ukuthi he's that one defender that you can rely on, because aerially he's good, composed, cool, calm, good reader of the game. But now ama chances ukuthi ahambe maningi ama chances, and for Kaizer Chiefs uThabo Mloisane can be a good replacement. Because he's still young, and also he can be an investment for Kaizer Chiefs. We know very well ukuthi ama players like Abo Miguel nabo 2027 ama contract ayaphela, so Kaizer Chiefs can decide ukuthi no, sibonile ispan sakho vika la umbuso, uvikelile umbuso, waswinela ne trophy. But I think now we have another plan esingakwazi ukuthi siyisebenzise, because sifuna ukusave these foreign sport for ama ikhathi lapho ezizoba difficult khona ukuthi no, now if ever sifuna striker nje sangaphandle singasayina noma kunini. But the important thing ukuthi if Kaizer Chiefs are willing, they can sign uThabo Moloisane and can be a good addition for iKaizer Chiefs. But into engama manje endleleni ukuthi angeke kube iKaizer Chiefs yodwa ke engafuna uThabo Moloisane, because njoba kushiwo ukuthi eGauteng ngathi bamsabawela njengama Hot Wings. Manje ke chaza ukuthi if Kaizer Chiefs doesn't act fast, Orlando Pirates can take him. I don't think ukuthi angaya kuMamelodi Sundowns, because Mamelodi Sundowns, I can say ukuthi they are covered in that department. Base senani player elifana noKhulumani Ndamane that they still have to sign. I don't know, because back next speculation ukuthi is a Sundowns player but ulone back, but abayivumi ke leyo ndawo abanikazi beplayer but ayikho into enjalo. So it simply means ukuthi iSundowns izoyihlalela nabo Cupido bayo, nabo Kekana, nabo Mvala, nabo Libusa. But for iKaizer Chiefs, he can add something, because one thing about uThabo Mloisane ukuthi he has that great fighting spirit, winning mentality. You can see it. He hates to lose. Even though this season for Stellenbosch, Stellenbosch sihambela kabi, and now he's having the worst season, but he still gets recognized because unokubizwa kuma preliminary squad kuBafana Bafana, which is a good thing. But for iKaizer Chiefs, he can add something, because into nje singamthandela yona those long throw-ins awashayayo, because can automatically result into a goal, because kuba ngazathi kushawa ikhona makaphonza. But nonetheless, it all depends on iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi do they see him as someone they can sign, because nabo banawo ama-defenders, especially this season we have many players. At some point I think it's even difficult for the coaches ukuthi basimanage squad because isiningi kakhulu. So at some point we think they will try to trim the squad, but baloku balwela nje baya phambili. But we loaned 2 players to Iswelele FC, nabo basazobuya. We are adding more problems. But if you can see lapha ku center back, I think we have Inacio Miguel, Rushin Dudley, Eden McCarthy noKunika. Usho ukuthi kubalansile 2-2. uCross naye bathi unokudlala ke i-center back, but angeke imbali because he's doing good as a left back. But yeah, I think ukuthi he will get a chance lapha yena Turan. Futhi khona ngabagodluza ababeka ebenchini because he's that aggressive njengayo uInacio Miguel. But as I've said, it depends on iKaizer Chiefs management ukuthi bazomsigna na. But this is it for today.